number 2. Synonyms to, anong synonym ng goal? Objective. Objective ng PSCP. Objective. Okay. Sige, next.
Wala. PSCP 5.
Tama, tapang.
50,000. Documented continuity response critical asset requirements. Didiscuss ni Sir Armstrong. Ano po yun? Yung sa workshop to. Five. Apat po yun. 4, 3, 2, 1. Ano, sir? Sa workshop po yan. Still? Okay, wala? Vital records and databases, people, facilities and equipment, communication and technology. Yung po yung discuss ni Sir Armstrong kahapon. Next.
Synonyms 3.
Synonyms 3. Anong synonym ng reduce? Decrease. Tignan natin. Lessen, decrease. Okay, correct. Okay. Mitigate. Okay. Next.
Ubusin na natin.
RA.
Republica, anong number? 5? 5 for 50,000 points. RA 9003. Ecological celebration ng August 2000. Okay, 50,000 points. Grabe, mahirap yun. Mahirap yun. Okay. Next.
Synonyms number 4.
40,000 points. Synonym ng improve. Improve your PSCP.
Enhance.
Enhance. Meron, enhance. Ito po. Okay, sige, next. 40,000. Next po. Last round po, last round. Group 1 na po ba?
Antonyms 5.
Antonyms 5, last round. Antonyms 5. Anong antonym ng add? Subtract.
Increase.
Subtract.
Subtract. Okay. Next group. Group 1, the big one.
Antonyms 4.
Antonyms 4 for 40,000 points. Pleasure is to smile, blank is to grimace. Five, four,
Spain, discuss.
ano sir yung sa'yo?
Spain or discuss.
Pain. Okay. Next group. Next group. Wala talaga PSCP ha. Adverb 5. Ano ang adverb? Her face is extremely red. Anong adverb doon?
Flashing.
Anong adverb sa sentence? Extremely ang adverb sa sentence. Okay? Last but not the least, homonyms, number 5. For 50,000 points, homonyms, flat and level surface or numbers divisible by 2.
What?
Same spelling, different meaning ang homonym.
Even.
Even.
Even. Even. Okay, so congratulations.